हेलो एंड वेलकम टू हिमाचल सिंप्लीफाइड यूट्यूब चैनल। आज 13 नवंबर 2021 को HPSSC के द्वारा एक जेई इलेक्ट्रिकल पोस्ट कोड 912 के लिए एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट किया गया था मॉर्निंग सेशन में। तो उसी का सॉल्व पेपर आपके सामने मैं लेकर आई हूँ। शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन है, नेचुरल रबर इज़ केमिकली नोन एज, आंसर रहेगा इसका ऑप्शन सी, लेटेक्स। 7th है, गोंडोफिरीन्स बिलोंग टू द, तो इसका आंसर रहेगा पार्थियन डायनेस्टी, ऑप्शन सी विल बी करेक्ट। 8th क्वेश्चन, अशोका द ग्रेट डाइड इन, सो ही डाइड इन 232 BC, ऑप्शन डी विल बी करेक्ट। 9th, विच इंडियन किंग रिक्वेस्टेड नेपोलियन फॉर हेल्प टू ड्राइव द ब्रिटिश फ्रॉम इंडिया, इसका आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन डी, टीपू सुल्तान। 10th, अल-बिरूनी केम टू इंडिया विद, so he came with Mahmud of Ghazni, option A will be correct. And then 11th, the first Muslim ruler in India was, so he was Qutbuddin Aibak, option C will be correct. Next question, who were popularly known as red shirts, तो ये थे खुदाई खिदमतदार, option B will be correct. 13th, is the Prime Minister bound to advise the President on matters on which his advice is sought? So definitely yes, option A will be correct. 14th, the center state financial distribution takes place on the recommendations by the Finance Minister. Option A will be correct for this. After this, moving on, next question. Yes, so 16th, the balance of payment deficit in India can be eased by, so option A, conserving the foreign exchange reserves, option A will be correct. 17th, the RBI issues all the currency notes except the 1 rupee note which is given by the government of India. 18th, asteroids have their own orbits between which planets, so these are between Mars and Jupiter, option C will be correct. Doldrums are equatorial zone with low pressure, option B will be correct for this. 20th, the Yellow Sea is located in, so it is in North Pacific Ocean, option B will be correct. Next, 21st question, which is a cash crop, so rubber, option C will be correct. 22nd, the highest dam in India is located in Himachal Pradesh, option C will be correct. Antonym of jittery is bold, option C is right. One word substitution for the policy of extending a country's empire and influences imperialism, option A will be correct. 25th, meaning of the idiom leave one to sink or swim is not to help one, option D will be correct. 26th, this is the road to go through, option A will be right. 27th, नरोत्तम में समास है तत्पुरुष, option B will be correct. 28th, भवन का संधि विच्छेद है भो प्लस अन, ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. एंड देन बाजारू में प्रत्यय है ऊ, ऑप्शन डी इज गोइंग. हिमाचल प्रदेश के क्वेश्चंस अगर हम देखें तो वेयर इन HP इज द 81 फुट आइडियल ऑफ लॉर्ड शिवा इंस्टॉल्ड, सो इट इज़ इन कोटला कलान, ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. 152nd, in which princely state did Dr. Y.S. Parmar serve as district and session judge? So it was Sirmaur, option A it will be correct. 153, which Himachali was captain of the Indian hockey team that won gold medal at 1964 Summer Olympics at Tokyo? So it was Charanjit Singh, option A will be correct for this. 154, Manak, a great master of Pahadi miniature, adorned the court of which ruler? So Sansar Chand, option B will be correct. And then 155th question, how many dialects of Himachal Pradesh belong to Indo-Aryan family? So this will be 21. Himachal Pradesh, a perspective book is written by, so its answer is Ramesh Chauhan, option D. 158, Asia's biggest carfish farm is situated in which district? So it is in Bilaspur, option A. 159th, which pass is the gateway to Lahaul? So it is Rohtang Pass, option B. 160th, the length of Nangal-Una Chararu railway line is about, so it is 54 kilometers, option D is correct. 161, which is the executing agency of Coal Dam hydroelectric project of HP? So it is NTPC, option D will be correct. 162nd question, The first विधान सभा स्पीकर ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश वॉज, सो इट वॉज पंडित जयवंत राम, ऑप्शन ए। तो इस चैनल पर आपको इस प्रकार के जो भी हिमाचल प्रदेश में एग्ज़ाम्स कंडक्ट किए जाते हैं विभिन्न बोर्डों द्वारा, तो उनकी आंसर कीज़ आपको सबसे पहले इस चैनल पर मिलती है, इसलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और वीडियो को लाइक करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। 163rd क्वेश्चन, सुजानपुर टीरा वॉज फाउंडेड बाय, सो इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, अभय चंद। Next question, Lama Lake is situated in which district of Himachal? So it is in Chamba district. Option B will be correct. The next, Taragiri Glacier is situated in which district of Himachal? So it is in Lahaul Spiti district. Option C will be correct. So ये कुछ questions के मैंने आपको answers बताए हैं. Rest of the questions will be uploaded soon. So subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video.